But if I'm here and I go boom, and he does something here, can I just go boom? Like and just do whatever. Yep.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
If you get stuck, if you get meant, like what could cause a mental stall? I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna kill you. Whoa, you get what I mean? Like, what the fuck just happened? Like you're actually going, this has to work exactly the way I expect it to work, or it's not. It's all fucked up. Guys that are good, just go, I'll get you. They don't give a fuck. Because you're like, I don't care what I do. You don't give a fuck about being right or wrong. I watched a couple times, we'll go like, if Peter comes in, I'm just gonna do a center line block. If Peter comes in, boom, and he goes to do that inside box out. Like, sorry, I pop my hand here. He goes to do this. This is got resistance. I see guys fighting to get this to that really perfect inside block to get that punch in. Versus, he comes in, I go here. But it's like, I'm kind of here. Just slide your body sideways and kind of hit me on a backhand. So just flip your backhand. And then maybe trap that just a little bit, like just, and then backhand. Boom. See me like, if I block me center, if it's centered like this, instead of, I need this, what if I just step out and went like that? Do you know what I mean? Like, is that a really nice inside pop? Not really. But if I'm here and I go boom, and he does something here, can I just go boom? Like and just do whatever. Yep. Why? It's reaction. Because all I care about is reaction. That's why it's like he goes cross center. This we know is very economical. But this happens and we just and it's like, well, why did you do that? I don't know. All I did is just a fucking feeling. Now, practicing this, boom, and this stuff, like practicing that lock and hold, educates the limbs. It educates so that when I go here and I feel this, my hands learn to stay in some sort of motion. But what I do makes no difference, right? Like it's just learning that, oh, I go here and then like I can be here, I can go here, he goes across, boom, boom, just hit that and come back off that. Like it's a process of just going, what's possible? Let me show you this, let me show you this, let me show you this, let me show you this. Never get hard anchored on the fact that this is only this. Because now someone's trying to teach you, when they do A, you do B. If they do C, you do E. And it's like, in the process of it, it's never gonna work that way.